Jain Dharma and Mahajanabdas. The period of Mahajanabdas was a significant turning point in Indian history, where various political, religious, and philosophical ideologies developed. This period lasted from approximately 600 BCE to 300 BCE, and there were a total of 16 major Mahajanabdas. During this time, new religious movements like Jainism and Buddhism emerged, giving birth to new thoughts and perspectives in society. The rise and spread of Jainism during the Mahajanpada period is particularly noteworthy. During the Mahajanpada period, Jainism played a significant role in Indian society. The foundation of Jainism was laid by Lord Mahavira, who was born around 599 BCE. Jainism is based on moral principles such as ahimsa, non-violence, satya, truth, asteya, non-stealing, aparigraha, non-possession, and brahmacharya, celibacy. During this time, Jainism provided a message of peace, non-violence, and self-reliance, which was a new perspective in the midst of the warfare and violence of the Mahajanabdas. The most prominent Mahajanpada during this time was Magad, where Jainism took root under the patronage of rulers like King Bimbisara and Ajatashatru. During the reign of Ajatashatru, Jainism expanded alongside Buddhism. Jainism spread in Magad, and the rulers of this region not only preserved but also promoted the teachings of Jainism. During the Mahajanpada period, Jainism encouraged its followers to establish peace and harmony in society through the principles of non-violence, truth, and self-control. Jainism's message was linked to practical life and was especially embraced by traders, artisans, and farmers, as its principles of aparigraha, non-accumulation of wealth, and ahimsa resonated with their life and business principles. During the Mahajanpada period, Jainism had a profound impact on society. Key principles of Jainism, such as ahimsa, avoiding all forms of violence, satya, speaking the truth, asteya, avoiding theft, brahmacharya, living a moral life, and aparigraha, non-possession, brought about significant changes in society, guiding it toward morality and peace. Jainism practically provided society with a new vision, encouraging people to move towards spiritual peace and contentment beyond materialism. The principles of aparigraha and ahimsa were particularly appealing to traders and business classes, as these principles were compatible with their lives and work. Jainism also raised a voice against casteism and inequalities in Indian society, promoting values of equality, compassion, and tolerance. Furthermore, Jainism taught that purification of the soul required penance, meditation, and spiritual practices through which one could attain mental and spiritual peace. Jainism has 5 main principles known as the Pach Mahavrata. Ahimsa, non-violence. Ahimsa is the most important principle in Jainism. It involves avoiding not only physical violence but also mental and verbal violence. Jain followers refrain from harming any living being, whether human or animal, believing that violence obstructs the purification of the soul. Satya, truth. Speaking the truth and adhering to truth is a core principle of Jainism. Truth is considered essential for the purification of the soul. Jains are instructed to avoid lying under any circumstances, as falsehood brings darkness to the soul. Asteya, non-stealing. Jainism instructs followers to avoid theft. Observing asteya promotes honesty and self-confidence. Taking someone's property without permission is considered a sin, and this principle helps in the soul's purification. Brahmacharya, celibacy. Brahmacharya is mandatory, especially for monks and ascetics. Its purpose is to promote mental peace and self-control. In Jainism, brahmacharya is regarded as a major spiritual practice that aids in the purification of the soul. Aparigraha, non-possession. The principle of aparigraha advises individuals to refrain from accumulating material wealth. This principle promotes contentment and self-reliance and helps individuals achieve mental peace and balance. The ultimate goal of Jainism is to attain moksha, liberation, which is the result of the purification of the soul and liberation from the bonds of the material world. According to Jainism, every individual has a pure soul that is bound by the actions and material desires of the world. To achieve moksha, Jainism emphasizes penance, meditation, self-control, and self-realization. When an individual is freed from their karmas and reaches their purest state, they attain moksha, which is a state of peace and infinite knowledge. During the Mahajanpada period, Jainism brought about several important changes in Indian society. This religion provided a path to express the highest ideals of life, fostering feelings of peace, non-violence, and equality in society. Jainism taught how to maintain peace and balance in practical life, providing a new direction in the midst of the tumultuous and violent environment of the Mahajanaptas. The rise and spread of Jainism during the Mahajanpada period symbolized a significant religious and philosophical transformation in Indian society. The principles of Jainism not only inspired people religiously but also brought about social and moral changes. The teachings of non-violence, truth, and self-reliance showed a way to live a peaceful and balanced life, which continues to be a source of inspiration for followers today. Thank you so much for watching today's video till the end. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you found this video helpful and interesting, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Stay connected with us for more exciting videos in the future. Thank you.